Hi, good morning. I planned ahead this morning, so hopefully everything is where it should be, where I need it, you know. It's been a week. It's been a week. Busy. I have a whole bunch of stuff to do today at work. And I gotta like push through it, like but I think it's gonna go well. I think I'm gonna wear Wisteria today. I think I'm gonna wear this purple one and maybe a little bit of Lili. We'll see how this purple performs, how it looks. A lot of the colors in this palette, like, they're so nice, but like it's hard to really do a cohesive look unless you really plan it out, which I haven't bothered to try. I guess I could see like what other people have done, but I haven't done that yet. Oh, I do love that. I wonder, no, I'm not experimenting today. Maybe tomorrow on my day off I'll experiment with more colors. But today, oh, I'm using Metro now, and I'm just blending it into the outer corners, which is a look, let me tell you. Nobody's gonna be in the office today, so I'm like going all out. Does anybody else do that when they know that like nobody's gonna be in their office, so they go a little extra? Or is it just me? It can't be just me. Yeah. But we have I work for an affiliate of somewhere, and they're doing a big gathering, and they wanted everyone to go, but I have so much stuff that I need to do that I can't make it, you know. I unfortunately don't have the time. I would love to go, but I don't think it's feasible. Like, it doesn't make sense for me to go. And I just wanted people there to be like happy smiling faces. I mean, I can do that. Oh, believe me, I can do that. But once again, I have so much stuff that I need to do for myself and for my coworker who's away that I won't be able to get all of that done, unfortunately. So I'm staying at the office today just to get not caught up, because I've been pretty caught up thus far. So I'm just making sure that I don't have to catch up next week. It's, you know what, this goes by so much smoother when I have everything set out perfectly. I don't know why I didn't do that before. I know why I didn't do that before. It's the ADHD. Plan ahead. Not this guy. Gal. Guy. Oh no. Oh no. That is too much eyebrow. It's fine. It's fine. Oh shit. Well, let's make the other one thick too, I guess, and wipe that off. Calm it down a bit. Just brush it out. What a... Of course, you know what's gonna happen? I'm gonna have to go and I'm gonna have like one huge fucking brow, and that's it. That's all she wrote, and that's fine. If I do go, I'm not going to impress anybody. I got me a husband. There's a lot of like birds in this area, so we got a bunch of like teen magpies, and they're so cute because they're molting right now and they're so fluffy. I go for a walk every day, and I see them and I think they're so cute. I love burps. I love burps. I would never own a burp because, well, we leave too often, like too much, that I wouldn't feel comfortable with having a bird. You know? Do you know what I mean? Yeah. But I think a burp would be cute. It would be so cute. So cute. I love the little chirp, 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 chirp. Chirp, 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 chirp. So cute. It's a blush. It's a blush. Oh, and then mascara. Mascara. The song is playing really loudly. You can probably hear it in the background. But I like to listen to the radio in the morning before I go to work. And I listen to it at work, actually. Because I love the music. I love music. I love. And it's really quiet in my office, like where I'm at. So it can't be too quiet or I can't focus. You know what that's like, right? Yeah, we all do. Most of us do. Light, light, light. Maybe I should just like put the mirror when it's dark like this. How do you get the extra mascara off? Because I feel like this is what fucks me up in the morning. All this extra mascara. Alright. Wiggle and roll. Wiggle and roll. Wiggle and roll. Oh, taking off the excess was a good fucking plan, Vern. Look at you go. Oh, I'm not dipping again. Fuck that. Look, this eyebrow, this eyelash, every single time always gives me trouble. And I'm probably gonna poke myself in the eye. This eye always gives me trouble. I don't know what lip to wear today. Brush for the trouble eye. It's because I said that, isn't it? Do you ever like do your makeup and then as you're doing your makeup something like that happens and then you're like you just like you want to fight yourself because like it's such a dumb thing to fuck up. Or is that just me? It's probably just me, maybe. So now I have to wait for this shit to dry so I can scrape it off. Good morning. I don't know if they still make, like, I know they still make the Sephora lip stain, but I don't know if they make this color. This is 41. I could just look it up. Oh, perfect. That came out nice. I mean, it doesn't matter if that's on the top. It is what it is. All right. That only took So I spend, okay, so this took 13 minutes. Yesterday was 16. So I spend 3 minutes digging around in my makeup kit. 3 minutes at least digging around in my makeup kit in the morning, doing my makeup. You know what it is? It's all the fucking lipstick I have in here. And that takes, like, I have to shuffle that around. That's what's holding me up. Me. Myself. Should I? Did I? Nope. Alright. That's it. That's the look today. I hope you have a wonderful day. And I will see you later. Bye.